Once you download these templates, if you open and enter information in a CSV file using Excel, you'll notice that some of the fields are not formatted correctly. You will need to ensure that the columns and cells are formatted per the instructions listed in the guidelines. And again, that data guidelines site provides the details for you. The two primary areas where these errors can happen, or these formatting differences can occur, deal with leading zeros, and also specific to the district ID and the building ID, as well as the date of birth cells. So we're going to talk a little bit about how you can format this so that you don't have errors when you're uploading the CSV back into the system. So to format this, if you've not done this in Excel, the first thing you need to do is to select the column that you want to format. So you're going to select the entire column that you want to format. You will select Format from the main menu, and then Cells. You'll select Custom from the category options, and then you're going to enter either 6 zeros if you're going to format the district or building ID, or you're going to format or enter the month / day / year, YYYY, if you're going to format the date of birth. This will take care of the leading zeros or zeros that disappear when you click off of the CSV. Once you have formatted this and you've gotten the leading zeros correct, select Save As, and this is very important. You have to save the file as a Save As file, give it a name, and then make sure that it still has the .csv. Do not save this as a .xls or SLXX file. It must be saved as a CSV file and import it and upload it that way. And then click OK or Save. So I've downloaded the CSV file for students. And I'm going to need to format these columns, but just to check, I'm going to put in my district ID here, 765. And as soon as I click away, let me enlarge that so you can see that. As soon as I click away from that column, the zero disappears. In order for this file to be accepted, I need to make sure that I have 6 numbers in this column, and as well as in this column. So to do that, I'm going to select the entire column. I'm going to go to Format and Cells. I'll select Custom, and then I will remove the word General and put in 6 zeros. Click OK, and now my zero returns. And now if I add that number again, my zero should stay. Okay? Now I can do that for this column as well. Select the entire column, select Cells, Custom, General, and replace that. And now I can put in my school ID as 002234. And my zeros stay. Now, we also mentioned that you need to format the date of birth column. And you do that much the same way. Select the entire column, select Format, Cells, Custom, except this time, after I remove General, I'm going to put in the formatting month, or MM/DD/YYYY. Now, when I put in the date of birth of February 02, 2nd, 02, 2014, now the information stays. My leading zeros stay, and they don't disappear. So again, wanted to make sure that we demonstrated how to format those columns if you've not done that in Excel before. In order to save this, I need to go to File, Save As. I'm going to call this Template S. I like saving to my desktop. And I need to make sure that it's saved as a CSV, not in Excel, but that it's saved as a CSV file. And now the file is on my desktop as a CSV. After you've done that, you can go back to the bulk loader, click on Uploads, select the template type. There's a drop down there where it says template type, and you can select the type. In this case, we talked about students, so we would select the student template, and then locate the file on your desktop or in a folder where you've got it stored, and click Upload. And then the file is loaded to the KReady system. If there are errors, you'll get a report back telling you that there are errors. If the file uploads successfully, you'll get a message saying that it was completed. Now, I mentioned on the login screen another option for adding information to the system, and that is with the File Watcher. So I want to talk a little bit about the File Watcher here. This is a desktop application for automated uploads and is recommended for larger districts. So, obviously the big urbans and the larger districts will want to use this. This is going to simplify the process by automatically checking user-created folders that contain the system templates. So essentially, you create a folder on your system, and then you download those templates I just went over. And as you update those templates, the File Watcher will go to that folder and check to look for the latest version. If there are changes, it will automatically do the upload for you to the KReady system. So those transactions are also viewable in the bulk loader under the section called Automated.